Hey, this will be a video chart on TRDY. Before I go any further, I want to note that I still own shares in this, so keep that in mind, please. So this one had a pretty crazy day. The end of day was very wild. It actually went up and hit as high as 24 cents, and then profit taking really came in, a lot of bid whacking. So pretty eventful day, kind of quiet, and then all of a sudden things took off. I haven't been following things, so I don't know if the filings are supposed to come out soon or what, but chart really tells me all I need to know is something happened at the end of the day, and then something caused a bunch of profit takers to come in. So I'm not sure what, but as far as the daily chart's concerned, things are still looking very good. So let's just kind of go over things and update what's been going on. The last time I did it was on this big green candle day here, and that is the day where I bought shares. And I was kind of disappointed, the following days, as there was no follow through on this nice volume day with the big green candle. But the key thing was that this support level down here held at a penny. Yes, it did pull back, but the pullback wasn't anything dramatic. You can see a couple times here it got close to hitting a penny. So this support level held strong. You can see this red line here was increasing the whole time, and whenever the price got relatively close to it, you can see the bulls then separated themselves from it, which from a long perspective is exactly what we want to see. So I was able to pick up some more shares here and accumulate. I had bought end of day right around here, so I brought my cost down a little bit. But the whole time, watching that penny standpoint or support level, I didn't want that to fall, because from that standpoint that wouldn't be a very good thing in terms of the strength of the chart. But it held like a champ, and then today got my follow through. Was able to lock in some profits up in this area. I wanted to lock it in up at this resistance area. That's just basic trading there. You always want to lock in some profits near resistance areas. Was able to still break above, and then I don't want to say panic selling, but quite a bit of bid whacking. All of a sudden hit it and dropped it down here. So I still do have a portion of my shares in case there's continued follow through, but it's hard not to lock in profits when you see all the strength that was going on end of the day. Looking at the 5-minute here, this does a good job of showing what happened. Right about here at right about 3 o'clock there, maybe a little bit later, the bulls really started to come in, and the thing just really moved. And then right here, the last 1, 2, 3, 4, so about the last 15-20 minutes of the day was some profit taking, where you can see the pullback. But at the end of the day, it was still a higher low than previous days. So if we go back to the daily chart, you can see that this low at 0.011 was still higher than the past couple days. So it's not like the daily chart didn't make any progress. It put in a new high, had some increase in volume, so that was all good. But from a charting perspective, and also from a perspective of holding shares, obviously I would have liked to have seen it close more up towards the top. It still couldn't manage to close above this line here at 0.0183, so this remains an area of resistance. But like I said in the last video, I'm going to leave this a skinny red line because I don't think it's going to put up much of a fight like it did today. Price got through there relatively easy. But the new update now is what I'm going to do is kind of make a resistance zone up here, and all I'm going to do, that way there's no arguments about what is a true resistance. Both of these could be classified as resistance, so I'm just going to clump them together into a resistance zone, as I call them. So the new key area of resistance, because yes, this is still technically resistance, but I don't really think it's not going to take much to get back above it. But the level up here from 0.023 to the new high today, 0.024, is going to be the new area of resistance. The resistance zone, like I've been saying, get above this area and it'll be officially into blue sky territories. So that's going to be the key area the bulls need to fight through. And then from a support standpoint, this penny area is going to remain the key area of support, along with this continually uptrending 20-day simple moving average, which has now worked its way up to being valued at 0.009. So these two levels are going to be your areas of support. So that is where the chart currently stands. We'll see what happens tomorrow morning, but congratulations to everybody that did accumulate on this pullback here. With today's nice move, it did present some nice profit-taking opportunities. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. We've been making some good money together on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this was TRDY. Thanks for listening.